So hello guys, welcome back to another video. In previous video, we learned how we can make GUI application using Python. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how we can build a simple calculator using Python. So first of all, we have to import the package, Tkinter package. I'm going to import all of this package and I'm going to define the main method of Python equal and main. So this is the main method in Python. Now I make a variable named called as GUI. I pass all details in this package to this GUI, and I'm going to configure this GUI background color as gray color, and I'm going to give the title. GUI title is, I'm going to do this is calculator, and then I'm going to give the size of the window, geometry. I want to have the size of the window is 270 and 350. 250 is enough the window. So I will run this one, and you can see this is our window. So let's develop our calculator. So now I have to pass the variable of expression. I will use it in the future. So this is my variable, and then I have to define some method. If I press the button number 1, and it will show the test field. Now I'm going to define the method that if I press some numbers, it will get the number of this one and pass this expression. I will make global variable called as expression, and I will expression equal expression plus str none. So I'm going to make another one equation. I'm going to set this equation as the expression. So this equation is which is we are going to use in our test field. So now I have to create the expression field. We have to create this field now. So I'm going to create this one, expression field equal entry. It's how it GUI and is a test variable, and I will call this equation. So I have to define the variable of equation now. I define a variable equation. I'm going to pass string var value. So this is my expression field and GUI test variable. Pass this equation value. This equation value is set to this expression. If I press the number, it will pass to the global expression, and after this expression is equal to global expression is equal to expression plus our number. So it will set to the expression, it will set to the equation. So equation is the string value, it will pass the string value. This number value will pass this is equation. So after this equation will show expression field which is in the test variable. So I will show you how it happens. width. I will use this 4 and this one as 17. This then type 17. So I'm going to run this one and I explain the code. So what is the error? So this yeah, you can see it, right? When you press the button and the value is going to this expression field, so the value will pass to this number. If it is passed after, it will plus with the expression, which is our previous number, which already in this variable. So I will show you that after I add button. So now I'm going to add the button. I'm going to add button 1, which will use to as our key one. It will in the GUI test is number 1, and foreground color is black and background color is green, and command and we will call our this function in here. So in here I'm going to pass the 1. This 1 value is passed to this. So this num is now number 1. So expression has no value, this has no value, this has no value, and then number 1 equal expression value is 0. So this expression value is number 1. This number 1 is set to this equation. This equation is set to this expression field. So I have to add this button to our interface now. I'm going to add it row 2 because row 1 it has expression field, and column 0. So now you can see. So this is our test field. If I press this button, this 1 is going there. If I press this button, it will go into this one and it will pass to expression and equation and set. If I again press this button, it will add. So now I have to make 10 buttons. So I'm going to copy paste this 10 times. So now I'm going to edit this. This is number 2 and row 2, column 1. This is number 3. If I press this one, it will pass number 2. It will pass number 3. So now let's check our output. So you can see this is our, this will pass number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 0. So what happened with this 4? What? 3, column 0, 1, 2. or 4, 0, 1, 2, row 5, column 1. So you can see now it's done. So let's add now the plus button. I'm going to rename this also. So now I have to add. It's also same step. We have to add plus, multiply, divide, equal, and clear button and decimal button likewise. So after I add the all button, I have to define another method named called as clear. It will clear all details after we finish our calculation. So I'm going to add the clear method. I'm going to clear global expression. Expression value is null. Equation value is null. So this is all for our clear method. Then I have to add the what happened with we press our equal button. So now I'm going to create what happened when press the equal button, like multiple divide. What happened when we click our equal button. So I'm going to name this method as equal phrase. When we press the equal button, add to try catch here. And try catch here. I will try global variable, global expression. I'll make a new variable name as total and str equal our expression and equation will set to total. And expression value, this will be null. So expect if it is not work like that, I will make equation dot set error expression equal null. So this all for that method. So here we have the plus button and minus and multiply, divide our equal button, which is we are called our function equal press, and our clear button and our decimal button. So let's see how this one is work. Okay, I'm going to run this one. So this is our calculator. I want this dot need to one row up. So I'm going to make this 5. So now you can see our calculator is complete. We have to make this one then with let me copy this. So I will run this more on calculator. So this is our calculator now. If I press 1 plus 2 is equal 3. So finally this is our calculator. I will zoom this one and show you the output of our calculator. So now I'm going to clear and I will plus 8 plus 8 will be the answer of 16. So and our calculator is working. Plus 2 is 17. So this is how we can build a simple calculator using Python. So see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to channel, like the video.